Hi, this is Ravteja Pinaka. Today I'm going to discuss about telehealth system development design report. So here's the introduction. The objective of the report is to provide inputs pertaining to the new telehealth consultation system that is developed for the organizations. Key inputs pertaining to the proposed system is features, processes of organizational change that have to be incorporated, screen design that depicts the prototype of the system, the key validation rules and processes that are considered for the system, and other such factors are discussed in the proposed system development. So here is the WBS. So it is divided into 10 categories in a row, and you can see in the column it is divided into 5 different categories. So for example, we can take like for task name the telehealth new system update. It can take 20 days of duration, and it takes on we started on Friday 20th 4th of 18 and finished like so. You can see the remaining all others of WBS respectively. So here is our process diagram. So you can see here we have given like it's a flow chart, so we can understand it easily. So here there is a new PMS system. So here the patients can claim their insurances. How can they claim their insurances easily, and so how can they reduce their duration of time. So this is all we can see in the diagram. So his next slide is like organizational change. So here I can explain like a training session shall be conducted to the respective stakeholders to brief them about the emerging trends, changes in the system, and the key processes that are to be adapted for implementing the system. So the next point is like using a structured process approach. The current processes and systems shall be developed that could support in improving the quality of services and management practices that can lead to significant improvement in the system implementation process. So here is the eligibility criteria evaluation. Here, so you can easily find in a diagram. So, so here is the eligibility for telehealth consultation. So how the patient can be easily do everything with the doctor. So go to the next slide. So here we can see the increment insurance claims verification. The next one is use case scenario. The use case scenario is divided into 14 categories. For example, we can take like task outline, the insurance claim verification and eligibility verification system. For our task online outline is eligibility for insurance claim, and just like you can see the remaining respectively, like for example we can take a task detail. So for that one is for eligible patient, telehealth consultation process is activated, and once the process is completed, insurance agency can verify the data and process the payment. So we can go for next slide. We can see the application architecture. So here also you can see the flow chart, which is easily you can understand. So here is the conclusion. If the proposed system is implemented, it can help in addressing the requirements and enable more productive outcome from the process. So here are the references you can see. For example, You can see like Hanwar, AR, and SE in the 2015 Design Science Research in Information Systems, Association for Information Systems. Thank you.